Hi viewers. Today I am going to explain last model of first exercise of trigonometry. Last model question. Such a good question I am going to explain. Let us see that question. Now, if angle A, angle B are acute angles such that cos A equals to cos B, show that angle A equals to angle B. Once again I repeat this. If angle A, angle B are acute angles such that cos A equals to cos B, show that angle A equals to angle B. Always I am remembering it in every question in mathematics. Some important keywords will be there. You have to pick the keywords from the question. 50% answer there in your hand. Remaining logic you have to approach it. What are the keywords here? I underline here. Acute angles. These two are acute angles. Means thetas. Here condition is given. Cos theta from the two right angle triangles. Two cos values are equal. Then show that angle A equals angle B. Now let us see the diagrams. Yes, these two kind of triangle I have taken here. Here, angle A, angle B, both are acute angles. Angle A, angle B, both are acute angles. Acute angles. Now, which is given here, viewers? Cos A equals to cos B. This is our condition. Okay. Now, from the diagram, we have to identify the naming the sides only. Naming the sides means opposite side, adjacent side, hypotenuse. Perpendicular side of theta is opposite side. Perpendicular of 90-degree side is called hypotenuse. Now remaining one is adjacent side. Already you know in basic classes. Now cos A, you know cos theta nothing but adjacent side by hypotenuse. Cos B, here also adjacent side by hypotenuse. Here adjacent with respect to the first triangle QA by PA. With respect to the second right angle triangle, A's value is BB by H value is CB. Okay. It is given. Put equation number 1. Put equation number 1. Now I am going to take QA by BB. I am interchanging the denominators. I am going to interchange the denominators. It becomes to one ratio of one side. It is equation number 2. Put equation number 2. Let us take QA by DV and PA by CV, that equals to have taken constant K. Okay. Here both values are equal, both ratios are equal. Interchanging the numerator denominators like this, I am getting one ratio of side. This is put equation number 2. After this getting the equation number 2, I am taking one constant, that is K. Then what will happen next step you have to see. QA equals to K into dV. Similarly, PA is equals to K into denominator CV. It is equation number 3. From this concept, I am getting three equations very easy manner. Cos A with respect to first diagram, QA by PA. Cos B with respect to second diagram, DB by CA. Right? Now, interchanging these two values, I am getting one ratio. Now, I am applying these equals to one constant term K, say. Now, separate these two terms with K. I am getting numerator value equals to here also numerator value. Okay. QA means adjacent side equals to here also adjacent side equals to adjacent. I got it now. Dear viewers, you see. Now, next continuation of this one. We have what we have two right angle triangles PQA and CDB. These are the two right angle triangles. By apply Baudrillard concept, Baudrillard theorem, we should get PA square is equals to PQ square plus QA square. Right? From this, PQ square is equals to PA square minus QA square. PQ square is equals to PA square minus QA square. Now I want PQ, that is plus the square transfer right side will becomes to square root PA square minus QA square. Right? Now see, we have to get PQ value. Then from the second diagram. Yes, apply the Pythagorean from the second diagram. Square of hypotenuse means BC square is equals to CD square plus DB square. From this diagram, I am going to take the value to outside, opposite side. Here opposite side is PQ. Here also opposite side is CD square. CD square equals transpose left side this value becomes to minus BC square minus DB square or BD square. Now CD equals to square root of BC square minus DB square. I am getting two opposite side. OS. Let us come to this side. Now compare PQ by CD, that is the cost. PQ by CD, that is the cost root of P square minus P square. P square minus Q square by square root of CD value BC square minus DB square. BC square minus DB square. As we know, PA square value, that PA value K into CB, substitute K into CB, substitute minus QA value K into DB, substitute K into DB, whole square. Once again, PA from the third equation, PA value K into CB, I substitute QA from the third equation, K into DB, I am substituting here. Now, denominator, no need to change, you should write BC square minus DB square. Dear viewers, you have to understand. AB whole power m, A power m, B power m. So K square, CB square minus K square, DB square by under the square root of BC square minus DB square. Now let us see, take the common here, K square, inside values are BC square minus DB square. Now here also BC square minus DB square. In the after substitution, I have to do the A power of AB whole power of m is A power m by B power m, like that. I am getting K square CB square minus K square BD square by BC square minus DB square. Take the single root like this. Now K square common, inside what is BC square minus DB square, BC square minus DB square. Both are get cancelled. I am getting root K square root cancel. I should get K. This is the value is PQ by C. To equation number 4. From equation 2 and 4, from equations 2 and 4, here 2, AQ by BD, that is the cost, AB by BC. Now, fourth equation is PQ by CD. You should observe viewers AQ by BD, adjacent side by adjacent side. AB, hypotenuse, BC, hypotenuse. PQ, opposite side, CD, opposite side. By yes, congruency, by SSS congruency, triangle PQA similar to triangle CDB. When the two triangles are congruent by corresponding parts of congruent triangles, by SSS congruency, these two triangles are similar to each other. By CBCD, corresponding parts of congruent triangles, angles also equal. What are the angles? Acute angles are equal. Then hence angle A equals to angle B. This is a complete answer. Okay, viewers, you have to observe very carefully. There are these three are the important keywords. Acute angles, two triangles, acute angles, both are equal, then show that angle A equals angle. From this diagram, I have taken cos theta value. From this diagram, I have to take cos theta value. Both are interchanging the ratios. I should get equation 1, 2, 3. Now I am going to apply the Pythagoras and Bode theorem. Now I have to find out the third ratio also. So from the fourth equation and second equation, I have to compare two ratios already equal. Now third ratio also we have to cut it now. Side equals to side equals to side. By SSS congruency, these two triangles are similar. By corresponding parts of congruous triangles, angle B equals to angle C, angle B equals to angle D, angle A equals to angle B. I want angle A equals to angle B, hence proof. I hope you have understand such a beautiful question under 4 marks. Under 4 marks, be careful, do practice many times. Have a nice day. Every student will practice makes a mass perfect.